Hello and welcome to the unboxing of one of our Hawthorn Handmade embroidery kits. Today we're looking at the Make Your Own Magic kit. So this is the box and you've got everything in here that you're going to need to make your own embroidery hoop. Let's take a look. So first things first, you've got your really detailed instruction booklet. This is a total guide to embroidery, and if you've never done any embroidery before, this gives you all the skills you need to create this piece and to go on and do lots more embroidery as well. So we talk you through all the tools and materials you have and how to use them, how to put the fabric in the hoop to get ready, how to use the pattern that we give you, how to start a stitch, and then of course all the really important stitch guides, so how to do each and every stitch, plus we give you details for loads more stitches here so you can carry on stitching at your own pace after this project. And then next up you've got your hoop. So this is a solid wooden hoop that we give you. It's really lovely quality, it's got no splinters on it, it's really solid and sturdy, lovely to hold the fabric in place whilst you're working, and then also act as a frame once you've finished the piece. So you can see it's got a brass screw and just, really lovely hoops. You've then of course got your thread. So this is DMC thread, comes in all the colours that you need. We give you loads more thread than you need for the piece so that if you make any mistakes you don't need to worry. And then the all-important fabric. The fabric is all pre-printed, so you're just following the lines, going over the pattern that's already there, and it's gorgeous quality, 100% cotton fabric. It's quite nice and thick, so it's really easy to work with, and sits in the hoop really well. Then you've got your pattern, so we show you which stitches to do where. This goes with the guide that you saw earlier, and also which colours to do where. Of course you can kind of go off and do your own thing, but this is our guide. And then there's finally the needle that's attached to the pattern there. So that is everything you need. You just need to find a pair of scissors, but I'm pretty certain you'll have those already, to make your own magic.